Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can split text to columns in Google Sheets. This makes it easier to separate data like names, emails, or addresses into different columns. So, the first thing that you will do is select the column with the text that you want to split. So, for example, this one right here. So, just go ahead and click data, and you will search for split text to columns. So, just go ahead and click that. And now you will just have to choose the separator, which is right here. So you could either select comma, semicolon, full stop, space, and whatsoever. So what you will have to do is just select from this list, and as you can see, I've set it to comma, and now you will just have to check that your text is correctly divided, and you could also you could change your separator anytime you want, or you could also adjust them. And once you're satisfied with the outcome, you will just have to save your shit. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.